Recently, I bought this cheap solar motion sensor light for my terrace. It houses a LED light module with 30 bright white LEDs, a half-watt solar panel, a 1200 mAh 3.7 volt lithium-ion battery, and of course a PIR motion sensor along with a control circuit module. On taking it out, the first in-hand feel is good. Build quality and product finishing seems fine. The whole housing is made water and weatherproof as it has to face the harsh weather all year round. It does its intended job quite nicely. LED light is bright enough and works only during dark to save the battery power during the daytime. During night time, PIR sensor triggers the light automatically upon sensing the motion and turns it off after a delay of about 20 seconds. So all in all, it seems a good product in such a lower price. But before installing it, as an electronic enthusiast, I always try to look inside the gadgets just to get the answer to a single question: how does it work? So let's get started and do a tear down of this solar light. There is only a single screw on the back to open the case. This is the inside view of this solar light. There is one 18650 lithium-ion battery and a slim control board circuit. All components like solar panel, is lithium battery, and this LED light module all are connected to this control board. There is also an onboard PIR motion sensor and a tactile switch. So this was a short unboxing and tear down. So now let's see how this all setup works, and we'll reverse engineer and understand the control board circuit with the diagram. So let's remove the control board also. Friends, if you like the content and knowledge what I am sharing with you, please consider subscribing and sharing this video. This actually motivates me to do more such videos for you. So now we have pulled out the control board. It's a quite compact and slim board with a very little components on it. It has this PIR sensor, a tactile switch, 2 transistors and an IC. This IC does not have any number on it, but according to its connections, I found out that it's an PIC microcontroller chip only. Let us now understand its functioning. I have reversed engineered and drawn out this circuit. This is the PIC microcontroller IC. PIR sensor is connected directly to its pins 8, 7 and 6. Power to the PIR sensor is controlled by this microcontroller only. When it gets a signal at pin 6, it sends out an output pulse from pin 5 to this NPN transistor here. Negative output from transistor goes to the negative of LED module to turn it on, while positive to LED module is coming directly from the battery. This is the tactile switch. Once pressed, it sends a negative signal to pin 3, which turns on and off the PIR power. Solar panel negative is connected to the circuit common negative, while its positive connects to another NPN transistor. When in sunlight, it also triggers the transistor via a 100 ohm resistor to turn on the battery charging. It also sends a signal to pin 4 of the IC to turn off the power to the PIR sensor to stop sensing any motion. So it's a smartly designed circuit with a handful of components. Now let us fix all the components back and try to make it work again. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I will be making many more such videos, so if you have not subscribed, you must do that now. For any query, do comment below and I will surely respond at the earliest. If you want to see video on any particular subject, do let me know in the comments and I'll try to bring that video for you. Thank you very much friends for sparing your time for me. Thanks a lot.